This video is for absolute beginners, the doctors who have no idea how research is done. So let's talk about the structure of your research paper. What should be the structure? What is the usual structure of a research paper? The first heading is, of course, the abstract. You all have seen that, right? Ignore that for now and just remember the formula IMRAD, IMRAD. IMRAD, IMRAD. I for introduction, that's the first heading. M for method, R for results, A for nothing, A is just and, D for discussion. That's it. If you have these sections, you have a complete research paper. Now, many would say, what about conclusion and references? Conclusion can be the last paragraph of discussion. You can have it with heading or without heading. So IMRAD C will become the sequence if you add a conclusion heading. So I leave it to you. If you want to do it IMRAD C, add a conclusion heading, or you just want the last paragraph of discussion as the conclusion. It's up to you. And then the references, of course. So references is also there, but I'm just counting the main structure of the paper, excluding references. Now, the last part is the abstract. You write it in the end, I recommend, and that's the first part of your research paper. So the paper will look like this. A for abstract, I for introduction, M for method, R for results, D for discussion, C for conclusion, and R for references. So now what each of these sections mean. Abstract is the summary of your paper. Yes, concise summary of your paper. Introduction is what is your research question or what is the research problem. Method is how did you solve the problem. Results is what did you find while solving the problem. And then discussion is what do your findings mean? The interpretation and explanation of your findings. What do they mean? And then the last thing is the conclusion, of course, that's the lesson learned, and then the references. So that's it. This is a simple structure of the research paper. Start doing it today. You can work on it and you can finish your paper.